Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because he was leaking inside. He was having some erratic behavior. As you guys know, when there's any moisture inside this machine, it will start making a buzzing noise, or it will just make some weird stuff, because as soon as you plug this machine, there's electricity going everywhere, and if there's any moisture inside the machine, it will cause that erratic behavior for this machine. So we went inside, open up this cover. We replaced the boiler gaskets on the steam boiler as well as the brew boiler. We also had to replace the three-way sauna valve, this one that you see right here. We inserted a new one, and yeah, that's all we did on this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam and we'll have water on this machine. We already tested this machine out without the cover to make sure there were not any additional leaks inside the boiler, and that the three-way sauna valve was working as expected. We didn't see no leaks or anything on the base as well, and everything was going the way it should go. Alright, so now we're going to be doing a shot of espresso. It takes 9 seconds for this machine to do pre-infusion, and after that the pump will start pushing water to the entire group head and will extract coffee. We're using the 11 grind setting of the grinder, and we're using a very old coffee as well. I'm going to manually start the shot right here as the customer programs a higher volume. You can see this shot, nice and beautiful, really good crema on top of the espresso. Nice and good shot of espresso. Flow coming out from the shower screen. Again, 9 seconds of pre-infusion, and then as you can see, nice and steady stream coming out of the shower screen. Working great. Hot water. Working excellent as well. You can see the stream right here. Great temperature. For the steamer, as you can see, pressurizing and steaming the way it's supposed to. Nice steam coming out of the machine. So there you have it. Breville Oracle working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.